AMD is in an actually different situation right now, in a different scenario. Again, we are overall, again, in a bull market trend. You guys can tell that on our dashboard here. You guys can tell this is heading in the upper direction. So buy signals illuminated, a couple great entries, one here at 84, running to this 100 level, and another one at about 92, currently running up to 127. That was a really good trade and entry. You guys can tell when this buy signal was illuminated, all three of our metrics were in combination here. Money flowing into the market, green dot in the middle, key EMA crossover. And to stay within these trades, I want you guys to take a look at this middle band here, and this is going to actually tell you the overall market momentum. If this is solid green, that means you want to be staying within these trades, and you don't really necessarily want to exit until you get all your metrics in the other direction, saying to look to go short. So since we are overall in a bull market trend, I want you to take a look at where we're actually heading. So inversely, like Tesla, you remember how we were in this top red section? Right now, we are actually in the inverse, where we're actually coming out of this bottom section here on this overall bull trend. We're hitting these bottom deviation levels, and we're actually starting to curl back up here. What I'm also looking at is on our dashboard. You guys can tell we're down into this green buying zone accumulation stage, which historically in the past, if you guys look directly left here, you guys see how we got down into this green area? This is exactly where you wanted to actually be accumulating into this position before we actually saw a nice increase in price. So if we go back to this chart here a little bit more, and let's zoom back in, this is where all of our metrics, in my opinion, I do believe we could actually see an increase to the upside. So money is now curling back up. We are coming out of this bottom deviation level, and you guys can tell right now, take a look at this. This green little dot, again, as I just said, red is going to mean bear market momentum. You guys can tell price is decreasing. Green is going to show bull market momentum, price increasing overall. We have just now switched over to that right now. So this is a strong indication that we could actually see AMD stock push and continue to the upside. Now the strongest level of resistance for this is just going to be at this area here of around 130. So if you're looking to go long and taking these positions in the market, that's where I would look at be going to actually taking some profit. You guys, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinions. Thank you guys so much for following. This is your Sunday watch list for the two stocks this week. First is going to be Tesla, and the next one is going to be AMD. Thank you guys so much for following. Hope you have a great one.